Here is an easy piece of decor to use when you set up your decorations on your front porch. I used 3 different colored pumpkins, an X-acto knife, strings of battery-operated lights, duct tape, a glue gun, and a wooden plaque. I recycled this plaque from a previous project and it was painted black for that. If you are using a new one, you want to paint yours black as well. Use your X-acto knife to cut out the mouth, nose, and eyes on each pumpkin. Cut a small hole in the back of each pumpkin. String the battery-operated lights into each one and tape the battery pack in place. Stack the pumpkins and secure them to the plaque with hot glue. Add to your front porch for day and nighttime scare. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.